ladies and germs, boys and girls, and whatever else you might identify as. Dun-da-da. Some hanky and janky, but it's on, and it's tightened up and locked in place like it's supposed to be. Ball joints are tightened up and locked, upper and lower. Radius arm in place, just got to do some adjustment up front and tighten it up so that it's where it needs to be. The bracket is on for the stabilizer bar, and I've got the end pins right here ready to go on. So this side is 98% done. And yeah, not there. So I'm making sure everything is right and clean and tight, and trying not to do a million and one things, but to stay within the client's budget, which is the most important thing. He's a great guy and we value him, so we want him to keep coming back for more and more and more whenever he finds something else he wants done. So we're taking our time and making it right. Nick's on vacation till the 1st, so he's not gonna be able to help me. So Bobby's out doing whatever it is he's doing for the company, and I'm doing this. I love my job, I really do. And I love this car. I swear to God, I would drive the snot out of this and be very happy. But, all right, boys and girls, I've got an appointment to be to, so I'm gonna call it a day. See ya.